Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update amenities on your Airbnb listing. Whether you need to add new features, remove outdated ones, or simply edit existing amenities to be more specific, this process is quick and straightforward. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, at the bottom of your screen, tap on Listings. This will take you to all your active properties. From there, tap on the specific listing you want to update. This opens up your listing's main page where you can manage all the details about your property. Now scroll down until you find the Amenities section and tap on it. This is where all your current amenities are displayed, from Wi-Fi and parking to air conditioning and kitchen appliances. It's important to keep this section accurate so guests know exactly what to expect when they book your place. Once you're in the Amenities section, tap Edit at the top of the screen. This activates editing mode and allows you to make changes to your existing amenities. Now you have full control to customize what's listed. Here you can tap the remove icon next to any amenity you want to delete from your listing. Maybe you no longer offer certain features or they're temporarily unavailable. Removing them keeps your listing honest and up to date. You can also tap the pencil icon to edit specific amenities and make them more detailed. For example, if you tap the pencil icon next to air conditioning, you'll see options to specify the type. You might choose central air conditioning instead of just a generic air conditioning label. This gives guests a clearer picture of what your space offers. After selecting the type, tap Save to confirm your changes. Once you've finished editing or removing amenities, tap Done at the top to save all your updates. Your changes are now applied to your listing. If you want to add brand new amenities that aren't currently listed, tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. This opens up a full list of available amenities you can add to your property. Then simply tap the plus icon beside any amenity you want to include. You can add as many as you like, whether it's a pool, gym access, or a workspace. Each addition helps your listing stand out and attract the right guests. And that's it. You've successfully updated the amenities on your Airbnb listing, making it more accurate and appealing to potential guests. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.